Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reine. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. So guys, today I'm back with an exciting video, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review from Luvmehair. As you guys can see, this is the hair that I'm gonna review for you guys. As you can all see, the color is beautiful, the cut is beautiful. I just love this wig so much, and I can't wait to show you guys all the details about this wig and how to install it super quick and easy. So guys, without any more further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so quickly I'm going to do a voiceover on this part of the video. So first of all, as you guys can see, I'm just quickly taking the wig out of the box. I don't know why it wasn't in the bag, but okay. And I'll come back to the rest of the stuff in the box later. So as you guys can see, that is the wig straight out of the box. The closure is a 4x4 closure, and obviously it's a bob, so it's got a nice blonde cut, and I love the color guys. It's a chestnut brown highlighted wig, which is great. And just like you guys can see, it's got a headband in it just to secure the wig even more. It's got 2 combs on the side and 1 comb at the back. And just like most Luvmehair wigs, the wig came bleached and pre-plucked, so you really don't need to do too much. Just to make it look more natural though, I went in with my hot comb and decided to make it really flat, and just to make it look natural. Everything that I'm doing right now is just to ensure that the wig looks really natural. If you don't have a doll head, go ahead and do it on yourself, so don't panic. And guys, I did say that the hairline came pre-plucked, but I decided to go in with my tweezers to pluck it some more. Again, just to ensure that it is way more natural than it is right now. The more you do, the better. You just want to ensure that this hair looks good, and it's also a closure, so I want to make sure that it looks super natural and lays flat. So after doing all these steps, you should have a nice natural flat looking wig. So now guys, moving on to the next step, I need to prep my hair for my wig. Usually I don't show this in my videos, but for some people who may be wondering how do I keep my hair under my wig, this is what I do. Basically, I'm just gonna do 6 big cornrows. They don't have to be perfect guys, just something to keep my hair flat and protected under my wig. Don't let the videos fool you guys. Doing your own hair is harder than it looks. Like, my arms were killing me. They were so sore. Just thought I'll let you guys know. So as you guys can see, I just did my hair. I did 6 big cornrows. This is going to ensure that my hair is flat under my wig. Okay, this cap came with the wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put one on and then put the wig on. So as you guys can see, I'm keeping this very simple. I'm not gonna do any ball cap method or none of that, because it's a very basic wig. You don't need to do too much, and if you want to, you can go ahead and do it, but You really don't need to. And right now I'm just taking my foundation, as you guys can see, and a brush, and I'm just changing the color of my wig cap so it looks more natural and closer to my skin tone. If you see my other wig videos, then you know what I'm doing, guys. Like, this is very repetitive and it's nothing new. Okay guys, so y'all saw me customize the wig already, so it's pretty much ready. Like, the hairline is looking good, everything is nice, I've straightened it and all that good stuff. So let's just put it on. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Today I'm gonna go glueless. I'm not gonna stick this wig on. If it fits on really well, then I don't need to glue it on, but let's just try it on and see, guys. Okay. This is looking nice, I have to admit. So I did say I wasn't gonna stick it on, and honestly, you don't need to stick this on. It's very, very, very secure, guys, like, as you guys can see. But guys, I don't want to talk, I don't even know. Let's see what it looks like on the side. Oh, I'm feeling this side, you know, because I like the way one side is longer, you know. That's cool, I like that. You can kind of do that if you want to. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more foundation on the wig cap so it looks less yellow and more like my skin. You can also add some on the lace if you want to. Like, who said you can't do that? I'm only gonna stick down the front part of the wig, guys, and as you guys just saw, I used a bit of my got2b spread glue. Put that on, and I'm just gonna let it dry for a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Gotta be so careful when you do this part, because guys, you only have one lace. You can't go back and fix it again. So I went in again with my free spray, and I'm gonna tie it.
A few minutes later. As you can all see, I'm done installing the wig and I love it. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. I do have a couple of things I want to say about the wig, but before I get into that, I just want to see what else was in the box. As usual, they have their hair care instructions just to tell you how to take care of the wig, and they've got a little bag filled with some little gifts. So let's open it up. Oh, I should have used this, you know. I wish I looked earlier. I could have used this to set my lace. but at least I have some for next time. They added this little mirror, which is really nice. I do have one of these already, but I don't know where it is, so thank you, Luvmehair. And lastly, guys, they added this brush for your edges, which is great because I really needed a new one, guys. So yeah, guys, that's everything that was in this beautiful box from Luvmehair. Now let's talk about the wig. First of all, it fits on really well. As you guys can see, it goes really well around my ears, which is really good. Don't need to glue it on, but if you want to glue it on, it's completely fine. No one's gonna know. And guys, the color is so beautiful. It definitely goes with the current season, autumn or fall. Yeah, this color is just gorgeous. I love it. The hair on the wig doesn't shed, which is really good, guys, and it feels really soft. It's very good quality. I love the way it's been cut. This is my first bob, guys. I've never had a bob, so far so good. First bob, and I'm loving it. The only thing I would say about this wig that is bad is it's not like it's really bad, it's just more of my preference. Some people don't really care, but I wish the wig was a lot thicker. I wish it had more volume, because if you know me, you know I like a lot of hair. I like it when the hair is full on my head, because I do have a small head, so I don't want to have a hairstyle that makes my head look even smaller. I like the big hairstyles, you know what I'm saying? So that's one thing about it. For me, I just wish it had more hair so that, you know, I could just do so much stuff with it. But I think this is really nice anyway. It's very natural, it's very nice, very simple. So if you're someone who likes simplicity, you know, you don't want too much hair, you don't like too much colors, you don't want to do too much when you put your wig on, then this wig is perfect for you. I like wearing it this way, guys. I wanted to do a side part, but I don't even need to do a part because I like to play with my hair like this quite often. So just having it like this, it's really nice. It even makes it look like it has more volume just by wearing it this way. Okay, I really hope today's video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can send me a super thanks if you're really feeling generous. Make sure you share the video, send it to more people so they know what's up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the wig. Would you wear it? Do you like it? Just leave it down there. If you're new on this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And I just want to say thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you, guys, and don't forget you can use my code MarieR for some money off. The link of the wig will be in the description box so you guys can check it out, and every other detail will be down there, so please check it out. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.